So we have 1,000 peso and we're here at Quiapo and Binondo.
We want to try and eat as many food places as we can find, so let's go out and explore. Hey guys, my name is Cheno.
My name is Alex.
And welcome to Cheno and Alex.
So currently we're starting off at Quiapo, which is the heart of Manila and is also known as the marketplace where bargain hunting is a thing.
Yeah, so for the first stop of our food vlog, we're here at Globe Lumpiaan Saraon, which is a lumpia house. Apparently it's been here since like the 50s.
Yeah.
Crazy, what, 70 plus years?
Yeah.
I don't know.
And there's a lot of people lining up already, so we're gonna line up and give it a try.
Yeah, let's go eat.
So I got 2 lumpia, which is 35 pesos each. So we consumed 70 pesos so far. I have the lumpia right here. Look how small it is. But apparently it's really yummy. So this is fresh lumpia, which is vegetable, I think peanut sauce, and it's wrapped in lumpia wrapper. We can put sauce on it as well. So we'll give it a try.
Haven't had breakfast yet, so.
Oh yeah, this is our first bite of the day.
Yeah, that's right. Here.
It's tiny, but
Taste
we'll give
this.
it a try.
Let's go. Oh yeah, we need the sauce.
I actually don't think I really eat fresh lumpia, but I mean, I'll give it a try this time.
Yeah, I've never tried this as well. Good, good. Honest thoughts. We're authentic here.
There's a kick of like spice,
Yeah.
but it's actually really yummy. It's like oozing out. Ooh. Yummy? It's actually really fresh.
And the sauce is so nice too. Yeah, super fresh. So I don't know if they mentioned it, but they make it on the spot. We couldn't film because I don't know if
You could
there's
not
like
film it,
yeah, I don't know if there's like a secret sauce or secret method, but they said no photography. So we wanted to respect that. But yeah, they make it fresh on the spot for every order, and the line is crazy long right now.
The line
for a
is
reason.
so long now. We were lucky that it wasn't that long. You should come early if you don't want to line as well.
We got here at like 9:30,
Yeah.
10 a.m., something like that. Come early.
Why not? Moving on to the next spot.
So we're just trying to make it to our next stop, and there's so much visual and hearing simulation, so much going on. We never normally explore this part of Manila, so you know, pretty cool experience.
So we're currently here at Master Hopia. Hopia means a bean-filled pastry,
Yeah.
and this spot right here is one of the most recommended spots for Hopia here in Quiapo. So we're gonna give it a try. I'm not a massive fan of Hopia personally.
I actually like it.
But you like it?
Yeah, I like it. So
Yeah.
I'm excited to try this out. So spot number 2, let's go in.
There's like no one here, and there's so much flavors inside, so I want to give it a try. So they got, what's their classic? Sir, ano pong classic niyo? Okay, so it's 13 pesos per piece for the hopia, any flavor you want. But I think you can also get it in these cottons. So small size, 20 pesos, 25, and then 30 to 40. But right now, we're just trying out the mango and then the baboy.
All right.
Okay, so this is the piece, if you can see. And it's like bite-sized.
It's actually really small, yeah.
Yeah, and it's fresh right now. It's still warm. So this one here is the mango. I'm gonna give it a try. Cheers.
Yeah, that's good.
I like it.
You say it was fresh?
Yeah. Ooh, it's like sweet bean, right? It's a bit sweet. It's yummy.
I don't know how to explain the flavor, but it is really yummy.
I mean, if you've tried mango beans before, that's basically it. But this one is a little bit sweet, which
So
is
it's
even
not,
better.
It's not like crazy flavorful, which is nice. So it means you can eat
A lot
of it.
Yeah.
No, that's actually nice.
Yeah.
Do you have a different flavor as well? Is this?
So we got the baboy as well. We'll give it a try next. Okay, so I have the baboy here.
And then we actually quickly ordered manga, which is
It's
mango.
his favorite, yeah.
Yeah, mango. Let's give it a go. I've never tried it in like hopia form, manga. Sweet.
It's really good.
How's yours?
Sweet too. It's actually sweeter than the mango.
Yeah, no. This is really tasty as well.
I think I like the mango more,
Yeah.
even though the pork is sweeter. You should try
tastes sweet.
this one.
Is it sweet too?
Yeah.
Oh damn, that's actually so yummy.
Yeah. You like it?
It's sweeter than the mango,
You
I
want
think. Alright, so we'll see you in the next stop.
Hey guys, so we have partnered with Safety Wing for this portion of the video. Safety Wing's Nomad Insurance is perfect for travelers like you and me as it covers unexpected medical problems and certain issues when you're traveling.
What sets them apart is their flexibility. You can easily sign up online without any complex forms from any part of the world, even down to the last minute, like when you're literally on the plane. The Nomad Insurance is subscription-based, meaning you can set up automatic monthly payments and with the flexibility to cancel anytime online.
Nomad Insurance has access to qualified global networks of hospitals and doctors in over 185 countries and also has coverage for COVID-19 and mandatory quarantines.
You can contact the customer service, which has blazing fast response time, 45 seconds on the website, or even 7 seconds on chat. When you're jumping from one country to another, you can feel at ease knowing that Safety Wing's got you covered. So check out the link in the description to find out more.
Let's go back to the video.
So for our third spot, we're at Landap Cafe, which is a few streets, I would say like 5 to 10 minutes walk from the hopia place that we were just at.
And it's actually a halal place, so we're keen to give it a try. And they have coffee here as well. And we also need to cool down because the sun is hot here in Manila today.
Oh my goodness.
So we're gonna cool down, have some halal food, and we'll show you.
Let's walk in.
Alright, so we got our order now. We ordered, let me just read it. So we have chicken biryani and we have chicken masala as well. I think the biryani is a little bit spicy. So the price for the biryani is 170 each. And then for the masala, I think it's about 150. So we're waiting for the paratha bread, which is 30 pesos each. So we're gonna put all the price later. Lemon drizzle.
Yep.
Okay, so they recommend for us to put the shawarma sauce on top.
Tastes a little better.
Yeah, it tastes a lot better, and I think it's a little bit spicy. This will help. So we're gonna try now.
Alright.
Taste
You go
test.
first?
Yeah. So here's the chicken.
So spicy.
Not that bad actually. And the chicken is actually so soft. It's so good. Oh my god, I love it.
Alright, my turn to taste that. Yeah, no, it's
Yummy?
really good. Yeah. It's so good, guys. Super flavorful, and now the spice is kicking in, but it's manageable for sure.
Okay, so I'm just about to try the chicken masala. Let's give it a try. It is so fragrant. It's so good. It is a little bit spicy, but it's not too much. And I think it has like coconut milk.
Yeah.
I think that's what it is. Yeah. It's different from the biryani, but I also like it.
I'm liking the spices, honestly.
Yeah. Okay, so look at this. It's so fresh and it's still so warm. This is the paratha. And they actually put condensed milk. I think I might drizzle. Or we could just dip it. Yeah. Looks so good. I actually love roti paratha. Like, it's so crispy and just thin rapa.
Yeah.
But it's really good. Mainit.
We'll try it later.
It's so mainit.
Good enough? It's not hot anymore?
No, it's actually not hot anymore. We're gonna try the roti now.
What's on that? The condensed...
The condensed milk.
Condensed milk? Damn. That's nice.
It could be like your dessert after the
Yeah.
really spicy food.
Yeah, exactly.
You don't have to put the condensed milk. If you don't want to, you can just have the paratha by itself.
Yeah, it's actually nice as it is.
Yeah.
But this adds that little bit of sweetness, I guess. Well, actually, it's very sweet.
Yeah, it's really good.
Yeah.
Give it a try.
Alright, you guys, so we've just added up what we've paid for so far, and it's around 429 pesos. So
Yeah.
still under halfway of our 1,000 peso budget, and we do have another, like a few more stops from a different area.
So actually, currently we're here at Jolly Dada's Eatery, which is the famous palabok since 1940s. It's at Quinta Palenque here in Quiapo. But unfortunately, they are closed. I think there's some surrounding eateries that does the same thing, but she is the original, which I'm so bummed out that we cannot try, but maybe next time.
I'm actually pretty full though.
Yeah, we are pretty full.
That was a big lunch that we've had. We got a lot more to eat, so yeah, we'll see you at the next spot. Alright guys, so we've made it to the next area for this vlog, which is
Binondo, Manila. So it is the Chinatown of Metro Manila, and there's a lot of food here, a lot of things to see,
crazy busy
to
in
buy.
general too.
Sorry, it's like we're shouting, but it's really loud here.
Yeah.
It's so busy, but we're gonna try find a couple of spots to show you, and yeah, come with us. All right, so behind me is Cafe Mezzanine, which is one of the famous spots here in Binondo. Oh my gosh, you can see the line. It's really far out, which I don't think we're gonna try today just because it is so packed. But I mean, I think there's just a lot of variety of food in there, and I guess it's really good. So we're here at Ong Pin Manyosa restaurant, and we're trying their famous maki. I think it's a Filipino thick pork tenderloin soup originating from Chinese community. So we're gonna give it a try, and they're only doing takeaways right now. So we're just gonna try the soup. It is really hot, but we gotta have to try it because everyone's recommending it. It is so hot.
There's so much.
Yeah,
Are
and
you gonna be okay?
look.
Yeah, that's hot.
I think it's perfect with rice, but right now we can't sit inside, so we're just gonna try
Yeah, and we're kind of full.
the soup. Yeah.
These are like...
It's so hot. Oh, it's so tender. I'm like teary-eyed because it's so hot. Okay, so I gave it a try, and it's actually like slimy soup, but I think it'll be perfect with rice, and the pork is really tender. It is 220 pesos, which is, I mean, it is a big order, and you can get a large one for I think about 250. But yeah, rice with this is perfect.
Alright you guys, we're kind of nearing the end of this vlog. We're super thirsty. It's hot here, so we're getting some fresh fruit juices at Quickly. But I think that's kind of like the last food that we've gotten, which was the hot soup with the pork, just because we're getting so full now. So yeah, we're just gonna end it off with a bit of fruit juices, something to refresh ourselves. Okay you guys, so we're gonna end the vlog here. It's been such a long day. It's almost like 2 o'clock, about 4 hours roaming around Manila, trying out all the street food.
Yes, so we had such an amazing time trying out a lot of food here in Quiapo and Binondo. And honestly, there is so much more we can try, but we are so tired. And it's really hot. I don't know if you can see it from our faces.
Oh,
but
actually, maybe you should leave in the comments food places that we need to try here. Was it Quiapo and Binondo?
Yeah.
Because we definitely want to come back here. So please leave us some recommendations. We'd really appreciate that. Anyway, you guys, don't forget to like the video if you really enjoyed it. And while you're at it, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next vlog.
bye.
Bye.